Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing an Amazon wig haul. So if you guys are interested in all the little wigs that I picked up from Amazon, y'all keep on watching. Alright guys, so this wig is like supposed to be like an afro wig that looks like Alexis crown hair. I don't really think it's giving Alexis crown, but it's giving afro if you need a little afro vibe. So if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you click the link in the description box below. I personally, this isn't one of my favorite wigs because it only has a clip in the front. It doesn't have the two on the side, which you could sew your own in, but it just doesn't have as much security, it doesn't have as much security in my opinion. But if you want like a 70s dance party wig, this is the wig for you. Alright, next up we have this wig. I love this color. I'm actually almost sold on wearing this to the game this weekend because it's giving kind of garnet. So this might be the one. I ain't gonna hold you, but I really like this wig. It's full. It gives my hair but better, but thicker, but fuller, and it has the two clips on the side, so it's definitely more secure. It has movement, body, and I like it. Quick tip for keeping these wigs like fresh and with movement and stuff and not tangled is to take the wig off when you get home. Don't sleep in it. Don't be tossing it all around doing the most. Just take the wig off and set it like capside down with the curls on top and just let it be. If your hair starts tangling like around the back where your hair rubs your clothes, get some scissors and just kind of like cut, almost like if you were trying to separate locks. Just kind of cut up the shaft without like trimming the hair, just separating the curls by cutting like the frizzy matted parts. That's what I did to help me keep the movement in my wig and also keep it from tangling too much. So this wig, I love it. 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. Next up, I thought I'd get this wig in blonde because I thought, you know, I would look cute in blonde or whatever. But this blonde, I'm gonna just show y'all and then I'm gonna tell y'all why I don't like this one. Okay. Okay, so I have trimmed this wig a multitude of times to try and like get it to look better or whatever, and I definitely think I can pull off anything that I try on. However, this wig, which is like the blonde wig, I don't like the color of the wig. So like if you dyed your natural hair like this color, it's not toned. Like this is like a blondish cream color, and like if this was your real hair, you could wash it with like purple shampoo and try to like tone out this yellowness of the blonde. And so that's what I don't really like about this wig. Like this brown part is definitely more of an ash brown. It'll probably look good on someone like maybe a little bit more lighter skin tone than me, but just the color of the ends is what like does it for me, because I just don't think this is the best color for a wig like this. Like I definitely wish it was like a paler blonde and not as yellow. So I've been like trimming this wig severely, not trying to make it shorter, but trying to get rid of some of the yellowy ends. But I don't think no matter how much I trim it, like it's gonna make me feel like I want to wear it out in, oh no, wait a minute, that did a little something. Wait a minute. Yeah, I still don't think I would like go, hold on. This wig also out the pack had like the ends were very like the ends were very frizzy, And I think that's because of the color of the hair. Even though it's synthetic, like blonde hair just looks more frizzy in general, in my opinion. So like I cut off, like I'm cutting off the very blonde ends to try to get to like the dirty blonde roots, I guess. Like that doesn't look terrible. But you see how much like cutting I'd have to do to make it look even reasonably like cute. And then of course in the front they're shorter, so it's more blonde than ash color that you have to kind of work in and get rid of. Kind of like you see this blonde patch right here, that's just because like the pieces are shorter, so there's a little bit more blonde up in there. Like that doesn't look terrible, but again, this color personally is just not really my vibe. Not really my vibe. Why do I keep playing with it, you may ask? Because I really did want it to work. So like this is what it looks like. Again, could I wear it? Yes. Would I wear it? It's giving no. Only because like I said, it's just the ends, like that blonde color. This blonde color is not giving, I don't think. Okay, I'm gonna keep cutting till there ain't no wig left. But yeah, like I said, this one specifically is not my vibe like that. Just because the color, I don't think the color is toned enough for my preference. Obviously you can't part it like that. But I'm just trying to see like if there was a world where this could work for me. Yeah. This ain't it, so I'm gonna leave this one alone. So if you were wondering what the blonde looks like, it's more of like a yellow blonde, and I just don't think it's the cutest. All right, next up, I don't know which one this is because then I started just throwing the wigs everywhere, but it is a black one. And I believe this is the same one as the black to brown wig that I initially showed you guys. And this is the same length as the original one I bought. And I'm just gonna fluff it out. Oh, love the length. Fluff it out. I don't really know what's going on in the top. So now I'm gonna trim up these bangs. Y'all know how I do. Okay, so we got this side kind of shaped up. Trim a little bit more here. And trim it downwards. Probably gonna do just a little shaping out here, not too much. Just to give it a little lift. See how that gives it a little bit more lift than this side that's just kind of like hanging. Babe, it's giving, and you can't tell me otherwise. And all I had to do was shape up the front. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like my hair when I freshly dyed. It is jet black, so like if you're not a jet black girly, like it might be like that thing black. But I mean, as it starts to age and stuff, it's gonna look exactly like your natural hair. Like, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I ain't even looking at y'all. So like I said, I did not pick out the hair. I don't wanna do too much because I wanna wear this as it's fresh. So I don't wanna do too much, but it's definitely giving. So I don't have the black to brown wig on my person right now. It's downstairs, but I made a whole dedicated video for that wig. So if you're interested in the wig that probably, you know, made you click on this video, then make sure you guys check it out. I'll link it up here. But that wig was the first one that I got, and I think it looks really good. Okay, this last wig that I'm trying on, I do have another wig, but I want to make just one whole video on that wig because I think it's super cute. But this wig was actually promoted with my natural hair, a photo of my natural hair, which I think is so hilarious because what? Not y'all trying to market y'all wigs with my natural hair, and I wanted to see if it was giving my natural hair. So we about to, now I already know it may give my natural hair because this is a shorter version of the wig I just had on. And if I do say so myself, if I ain't chuckling too hard, this is what my hair be kind of looking like. It's a little bit thicker, but outside of that, it's giving my hair as far as like the length and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fluff it out with my hands, fingers. And I'm weak because this do actually look like this do look like my hair, especially if I had it in the little side part I be doing. Now granted, this is blacker than black, which my natural hair is more so brown. I just be dyeing it black. But in this current moment, babe, it's giving my hair. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the trimming. This is the major key I find with making these wigs work, is shaping them to your face. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the scissors, but babe, it's giving my hair. It is giving my hair. It's not a flop. It's not a flop. It's 100% giving my hair. Oh my. Y'all, this is wild. Like, it for sure is giving my hair. If y'all want my hair, get this wig. I think it looks very cute. I think it looks very cute. Definitely easy to like shape on your head. Definitely easy to shape on your head. I think it looks cute. And it's giving my hair. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, this is what my hair be looking like. And I just be trying to fluff it up like that, so I can kind of have a heart shape. I do need to trim this more, but like I said, I don't want to do too much to it right now. So anyways, I'm gonna leave y'all with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me trying on some Amazon wigs that I purchased with my own money. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this, please comment down below which wigs you want me to try. I believe all these wigs were under $30, so I'll make sure I link my Amazon shop in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Make sure if you guys want to shop any of these wigs, you can click the links in the description box. So I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you till full. Bye y'all. Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.